So we have here a Solar God Winged Dragon set. It's a building set, so we're going to build it and see what it looks like. So inside the box, we got the instruction manual and all the different bags to put it together. So now we're just gonna follow the instructions to get it built and put together. So we're gonna start with number 1 here and find the corresponding bag and put it together. So we got it all put together. It looks really cool. It's really fun. Very easy to put together. Just takes a little bit of time because there's lots of pieces, but it worked really well and it's really, really cool. On the bottom here has a little switch. It has some lights going around the bottom to kind of light it up. Makes it really fun, and it will be really fun to put out to show it. So you can see it moves. You can move the arms around, the fingers, so you can kind of rotate it to how you want it, which is really fun. It's movable, and you can actually play with it and change it how you like. So this building set was lots of fun. Did you have fun making it?
Yeah.
So I'd recommend it to anyone that likes to build things, create things, or loves dragons. It's so much fun.